They said this car was finished, abandoned for over 50 years, buried in silence, forgotten forever. No engine sound, no shine, no life, just rust, decay, and memories fading into darkness. But what if everything they believed was wrong, hidden inside an old diary? There was a dream, a promise never fulfilled. This wasn't just a car. It was a legacy, a life, a story waiting to return. But time destroyed everything, leaving nothing but a broken shell. And this is where the impossible begins. The engine was dead, the body eaten alive by rust. Hope was almost gone. But legends don't die, they wait for someone who believes. Piece by piece, every part removed, every detail examined, preparing for rebirth. Fire meets steel, sparks bring life. The transformation has begun. The broken body reshaped, damage erased, strength returning every second. And slowly, the impossible becomes real. The heart rebuilt, stronger, smoother, alive again. Luxury returns, perfection in every detail. A new identity, born in darkness, shine, and power. What was once forgotten now lives again, reborn as a legend. Subscribe for more.